build the widget based on the future data. Now I finished, I need to work with the UI, so I can go to the main here and just start working with the UI. First thing here we have in the stateful widget, we have something function called initial state, init state. This function will run or call the function inside it only when you run the application, only the first time you open the application, and only just one time. So this function will implement only one time when you just start the application start working. So when the application start working, I need just to get the data. So I don't need to press button, for example, or anything. So here, if you want to do something like that, to call this function, you need to do that. So I have network function. This will get the data. So this function I need it at the first time when the user just opened the application. I need to call this function. So for that, if you need to make like this, so you need to just make the function here. But this is a function. If I add it here, I cannot use it outside. So here I need just to make a variable. So I can name it here data, and here I can say to access it, I can say data equal fetch data. This is the function. So here just import this function here. Now initial state, whenever I run the application, I will call fetch data. Now I need to build the widget, as I told you here, build the widget based on the future data. So here we need to use a future builder. So first thing, you can just write a scaffold. Normally a scaffold, in the scaffold, you know, we have body. In the body I have like just future builder. In the future builder, what we have first thing future. So this will get the data from future. So this what data here. So data, I can add just data, because data is what? Data is the fetch data, which is this one, get the data from the API. So now this is the first argument here in the future builder. And the second one, so we have a data. Now we need to build the widget. So we have builder. In the builder, we have context like any builder, and also we have the data called the snapshot, whatever. So I can say the snap, because they always name it the snapshot. Here I can say if there is a data in the snap, so I can say if snap dot has data, do something else. If snap dot has error, so also give me the error. So for example, print something, throw the error as you like. So here you can say from snap dot error, and then dot to string, because this accept string. But if has a data, I need to return something here. Return list view dot builder. List view dot builder. In the builder we have item builder and item count. So first thing, item count. The item count will come from snap dot the data inside the snap dot length. That's it. Here we can see what the problem. We can click here, protein cannot anchor. Yes, here we need just to click here and just add or add not null. It will be not null. Yes, here cannot get the data. So because I say use future builder, but I not say what the type of the data this will return by the future builder, or the future builder will accept. So the future builder will accept a list of object or list of model. So here I can say accept list of model. That's it. Now I can say snap.data.length without any problem, but here I just say it will be not null, never. So now item count, and then we have item builder. In the item builder we have context and we have index like any list we have explained it before. And here I will just return here just semicolon. I will just return again the list style. List style is like this. So here So for example, I need to add here like a picture, or add number, and here add the ID or whatever, anything you want. So here I can say list style, we have leading. In the leading I can add like a picture, so I can say circular avatar, this is a picture, give me circular picture, and inside it background image for example, or I can just say directly child. The child will be circular, and in the child I will add text, and in the text maybe I will add the ID that return from API. So here I can say the ID. How can I get the ID? I have the data snap, so I can say snap.data, then index because we have many data, and then dot ID. That's it. After that is integer, so dot to string. Finish. But here we need just to also add, it will be never null, so you need to add this always. And same thing in the title, I will just use a text, and inside it I will add a title, so snap.data, and it will be not null, and then we have here index, after that title. That's it, those two. Finish. This is from where? This is from here. So we have data snap.data, which means this data here, and then index because we have this one, this one, this one, we have many objects, so index 0 1 2, for example, index 0 this one, index 1 this one, and then I need the ID and title. That's it. So iterable. Now here you can see we have error because we need to return something at the end. In the builder for the future we need to add something, so here the data will come in the future. So I say if there has data, create the list. If there is error, create this. So I can say at the end here and finish here of the future. I can't say if there is no error, no data, which means the request not finished. I just make a request and I'm waiting for the response. So I need just to add like a like loader, or like it's called circular indicator, so just something to indicate that there is something loading the data, we are waiting for the data. So here I can just say return in the center child, I will add just a circular progress indicator, circular progress indicator, so this will make progress. Now finish. We need just to run. As you can see, first thing we need to see, yes, indicator, this one, wait for to request, and we make a request and then just wait for the response. As you can see at the beginning, at the first thing we just make fetch data when the application start running, then just wait for the data from the internet. Maybe it takes some time, so we need to wait for it. After that, if there is data, has data, we need just to add the data in the list view. As you can see, here we have the ID 1 2 3 4 5, and for example the first one is this thing. This is from where, if you go here, as you can see, the first one is this, and the ID is 1, the second one ID is 2, and we have like this one sant and something, so all of this become here. So that's everything. Hope you understand that, and thank you very much.